Hello everyone. For today's video, we're gonna play Plants vs Zombie, but different version of it. So now we're playing different version of Plants vs Zombie. The the game that has been revealed in a very old way. So let's start. These are hmm, these are fusion, guys. Ibig sabihin, you can fuse every plants you you want. Let's start. Jumper. Not wall pala yun, not wall. And then what do we need is this and then this. Alright, bro. Let's start now. Playing Plants vs Zombie. Our first plant, of course, is sunflower. There's enemies. So this is the most interesting plant I ever seen in my entire life. So let's plant it here. I think it can grow, bro. We also create some flowers too. Like fusion. See? This is the most interesting game I ever played, bro. Okay. Okay, bro. We're still a long way from wave 1. So now let's found this starfish. Yes, I mean that starfish. I don't know what it's called, bro. Okay. Damn, what is it doing, man? There's swords, bro. Swords. Isip na lang natin yung ano kasi medyo magtatagal pa yung ano, yung wave 1. Malapit yung wave 1. Wave 1 is closer. You can fuse this to a pea shooter. I knew it. We have to put this somewhere, bro. Okay. Jumper with this pea shooter. Oh my God. Damn, man. Those zombies are so interesting, and then the plant also. Hindi siya pwede spawn. Wala nga pala yung patungan. Pagkatuwad the thing, bro. Where's the wave one, bro? It takes so long, bro. The fish is slow, bro. Slow. Ano mo dito? What is this? Globe, card, armor, no trouble. What is this, bro? I think not invisible. Random bullets. Oh, now it looks more interesting. What is that, bro? Damn. Damn. Kaya on wave 1. Ubus agad. Ito, Sigma. Meron trophies. Ano ito? Run, bro? Alright, bro. Let's skip this thing. Export naman natin iba. Ano to? Oh. Then is some motors, bro. Let's play now. Let's play again. One more time. Pipili natin. Tapos ito. Ito rin. Ano to? What's this, bro? Some anime, bro. Anime. Oh, anime. This one. I don't know what is that thing, but whatever, man. Let's do this. Okay. Let's start. Just through bro, seram doon is like that. Ano yan, mais? Ano yung mga biyaba to niya? Oh no. Papunta niya ito na. Ang aking tile. Oh, ano ba yan? Alam. Hindi dyan pala yun. Yung patungan. Bali ulit tong silbi. I can't put in. Hair pala. Hair. Ito, boys, bro. Ano to? Oh, Impaliano. Ito, ano to? Ano yung mga HP nila? At ito rin yung mga HP ng mga zombie. Ano to? That deal just happened, bro. Oh, nangyari? Wave 1, finally. From this. From this. Combine din. Okay na, ang wave 1, finally, bro. Ano to? No, what else does do, but whatever, man. I just keep combining the zombies into something new, bro. Yung nga pala, yung pakwan nga pala guys, yung pakwan. I haven't tried it, so watermelon, bro. Mag-final vibe na. Oh no, bro. I haven't seen the combination of watermelon. Okay. I can combine him. Ito na ang final wave. Final wave. Ubus agad. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you.